Good morning, Clint with PPC Ad Lab. I'm logged into my PPC member area, PPC Ad Lab app member area. Just want to show you that I do have the software running for me in 21 locations. And this is for the roofing contractor niche. Let's get over to email. The reason I'm contacting you is regarding I cannot get an email account approved inside PPC Ad Lab for use to send emails. Now I'm going to go through the process of adding all the values here. I'll pause the video and then resume when I click check connection. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click check connection now. It is checking, and I did check the connection just before running this, and I'm getting the exact same result here. The SMTP connection was successful, but the IMAP connection failed. Now I'm going to go ahead and do it again and check this box here, which according to GoDaddy is correct. So anyway, there we go. We're checking the connection again, and we're going to get the same result here. So this is the just checked again, and SMTP connection successful again. IMAP connection failed again. I know this is the correct port number. They did give me an alternate value here, so I'm going to enter that and check connection again. Meanwhile, I'm going to pause the video. Okay, I just entered a second value that that GoDaddy gave me there in email tech support that could be used as an alternate for the previous one. Now we're going to check connection. And I'm going to go ahead and switch to TLS. And this is the same result I've been getting no matter what I do. Check connection again. While we're at it here, I'm going to go ahead and try this. So I just entered or switched to none. Now we're checking connection. Same result. Okay, there you have it. Not sure how to proceed. I've called GoDaddy twice, contacted you once already here a second time, and we're going to get this video to you now so we can see what to do from here. Thanks a lot for your help on this. I do appreciate it.